Welcome back to the channel, and we stopped messing around with the XBU03 or Dub 184 for outside the US. It is that type of blower that accepts a single battery for cleanup operations. Simply blow your neighbor's mind away with 116 miles per hour and with a decent noise level around 96 decibels. That blower comes along with cruise control. Fly around your garden with grace thanks to the blower's lightweight design. Tool and battery is around 6.5 pounds. No need to hit the gym beforehand. That little jet engine provides 459 cubic feet per minute. The bare tool only set comes along with an adjustable shoulder strap. If you need more flexibility for the nozzle, the package includes some extensions for that. Speaking of nozzles, this is what you can expect from the bare tool unit. The XBU03 is an awesome tool, but you should keep a couple of battery on standby. High power consumption is very noticeable. Checking the battery gauge is easy on that bad boy. So with a decent amount of batteries, you can blast through your garden like a boss for quite some time. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more with It Started with Sawdust.